PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Royal KMM here, and it's got a sticky return arm, carriage return arm here, so we're going to take a look and see what it takes to fix this. And so sure enough, it should snap back all the way, so something is sticking up here, but I've actually already taken a peek at this, and I've seen it before. It's a pretty simple little repair here. Let me get in here closer and get this thing focused. So it looks like it's sticking somewhere in there. Probably in the ratchet, maybe turning this, maybe it snaps back, I don't know. But now, if you look real carefully, this is rubbing on the paper bail. So if it sticks right there and I move the paper bail away, it snaps right back. It's a little sticky still, but we're going to flush that too. So the paper bail just needs to be tweaked, formed to one side. So you just take this paper bail, and this happens to these arms, and I'm just going to bend it, form it this direction like this. Come back down here and see where it's at. It's still touching just a little bit, so we're going to do a little more. It's clear, it's right against it, but it's clearing. I do notice the back here has got a little bit of a bend to it. Let's straighten that out. We got it on camera here, so we'll straighten that back portion out. Check it again. It's very close. Let's check this side. So this roller here should be right on this chrome plate right here. And it looks like it's pretty much on it. It's that roller. Put a little bit of oil on this roller. It rubs against here all the time, so. Okay, that's it. Let's try this and see if it's still sticking. Yeah, it looks like it's much better, but just to follow through with the whole return arm, I'm going to flush this down inside of here and up in this little shaft. I'll get a little bit up here, a little bit right there. Flip it around a little bit like that. Like that. Spray some good cleaner in there. Drop up in here. Looking good. Pull out the excess. Alright, that's a pretty simple fix on the Royal, but I have seen this paper bail bind, get shoved over and impede the operation, so just take a look at the obvious. Sometimes it's right in front of you. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.